In this video, you will learn how to transfer money out of Shopify. First, to ensure you have your Shopify payment set up, follow these simple steps. To withdraw money from Shopify payments, you must be set up and linked to a different bank account. If you haven't set this up yet, follow these steps. Go to the settings in your Shopify admin, then click on Payments. Under Shopify Payments, follow the instructions to enter your business and bank details. Shopify automatically transfers funds from Shopify payment account to your bank account based on the payment payout schedule that you set. This can be weekly, monthly, or even daily. You can check the status of your transfers. Now, go to Settings and Payments. Scroll down to the Shopify Payments section and click View Payouts. Here, you'll see a history of all your payouts, including whether any payouts are pending. Manually payout requests. While Shopify automatically processes payouts, you may be able to request a manual payout in certain cases. This depends on your location and bank processing rules. Go to Payments and Settings. Under the Shopify payment, click View Payouts if applicable. Then, there might be an option to request a payout straight away. Once the process is paid out, the funds will be transferred to your bank account that is linked to your Shopify account. Depending on your location and the bank, this can take a few hours to a few days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.